to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about two profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have to do with the children's storybook niches. Now, I've previously talked about this wonderful profitable niche and the different gaps in the market for this niche as well in previous videos, and I've shared with you profitable keywords that you could use for your title or subtitle and 7 keyword slots. You can view the full series of videos connected to this specific niche linked in the description box below. Alternatively, you could also go ahead on the channel page and type in children's storybooks, children's story. Let's start off with that, and then you can find a couple different books that are connected with children's storybooks, either talking about what is the best size to use for your children's storybooks, or revealing, for example, this one's 3 keywords, this one's 3. We've got other books as well. This one's 2 keywords, 3 keywords, and you can view that. Alternatively, on the weekend, I do aim to combine all of these different videos and make the main takeaway out of the videos as well, and provide you with some solid data to help you get started in the children's storybook niches. And if you've already dived into this wonderful niche, you know how profitable it is. So let me know your experience in that niche as well. So before we get started, I'd like to quickly remind you that there is a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica linked in the description box below. You can take advantage of an all-access free trial during the first 30 days. That will allow you to access interiors, KDP keywords, images and graphics, as well as fonts to use in your both cover and interior, everything coming with full commercial license. So let's get started with our first keyword for the day. Our first keyword for the day is cheap children's bedtime storybooks. Now, this keyword has beautiful potential. It is ideally to be used for the 7 keyword slots for anything related to children's storybooks. So if you currently have in your KDP portfolio any children's storybooks that you have published live, go ahead and update the 7 keyword slots and include this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots to allow your book to rank for this keyword. This is a great strategy that I do myself, and consistently every 2 to 3 months I go ahead and I update some of the keywords in the 7 keyword slots for my books, and within about a week or two, to be honest, I do notice that there is a spike in sales and a spike in exposure as well of that specific book that I've updated the 7 keyword slots, because usually the 7 keyword slots are keywords that need to be updated on every 3 to 6 months, usually with the most up-to-date keywords for that year or for that niche as well. So it's important to be on the lookout and just try this strategy, see how you go with it. I personally found results on it. So cheap children's bedtime storybooks has a keyword niche score of 60 by self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension. Also, it has a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which categorizes this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. So both of the extensions seem to be agreeing in terms of the keyword strength. Next, we have the total results, which are under 5,000, and that's really ideal. Of course, the lower the better, and this one's sitting at exactly 3,370. We have the average bestseller rank above the slightly above what we usually accept, which is usually anything 400,000, around that 400,000 and under. The lower the better. So this is exactly one of the bigger reasons why this keyword is more suitable for the 7 keyword slots, because of the slightly higher bestseller rank, which is currently averaging 527,888. Another reason is that this is more of a general keyword. It doesn't really specify the exact theme. It doesn't specify the age group of these children, and it does not specify the sizing as well. The average reviews are a massive 8,791, indicating customer is eager to engage, whether it is in an actual review, written review, or a star rating system, or including some videos and some screenshots of the interior and parts that they liked and parts that they didn't. The average price is $11.46. So we're all happy with the results right over here. But let's take it a step further. Let us have a look, take a sneak peek and have a look at the first page, and we want to aim to get 2 to 3 books with a bestseller rank under 100,000. So let's take a look. These books do not need to be sponsored, so we're going to avoid this one, for example, which is a sponsored post, this one, and we're going to take a look at this book, Goodnight Little Bear, a sleepy bedtime tale, and it has a bestseller rank of 829, fits the metric for being below 100,000. Next we have 330 is the bestseller, 821. We've got 19,000. This one's at 19,929. And this book, titled Clever Cup Gives Thanks to God, is more of a Bible story, bedtime story book as well. And this is another niche that I've discussed, and there's a lot of gaps in that niche if you're willing to take it further. The amount of sales on an approximate is 300 copies per month, and it is generating around $73. My apologies. And the reason for that is the book is currently on discount, number one. Number two, it is already priced quite low at $3.99 as well. Next we've got 5,542 is the bestseller for this. We've got also another book, 6,005, 2,700 as well. 34,673. So as you can see here, we found more than 4 books with the bestseller rank under 100,000 that are not sponsored. Then again, our first keyword, cheap children's bedtime storybooks, is ideal for the 7 keyword slots. Let's dive into the final keyword for today's video, and our final keyword is digital ebooks children friendship bedtime story. A beautiful long tail keyword is exactly what we're looking for. So it has a keyword niche score of 39 by Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension. However, that doesn't really match the data that we've provided here, which all meets the metrics that we're following. So then again, we're going to stick with Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is giving us a beautiful clarification of number 9, which is the highest on the scale when it comes to the keyword niche score, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche, and also beautifully complements the data that we have here. So let's break it down. Total results under 1,000, and it's sitting at 323. Average bestseller rank under 400,000, sitting at 390,124. Average reviews is 1,149, and average price is $7.27. Absolutely amazing. So that's why you need to have all of the 4 Chrome extensions activated and ready to go, so you can have some tools to compare against, and then you stick with the most tool that resonates with the larger amount of data that we have right over here. So total results under 1,000, bestseller rank under 400,000, really good amount of reviews indicating customers are eager to input their feedback, and a good average price as well. So let's dive in. We've got our first book, 10,000 is the bestseller. There's no ads running. This one's at 20,655. This one right over here is at 5,613, and it's titled Strictly No Elephants. 28,000 for this, 77,000 as well. We've got other books that are selling really well. This one's at 19,000, 52,000 for this one, 26,000 as well, 8,116. This one, for example, is selling around 450 copies per month. It is generating approximately $380 on a monthly basis. So just now we've clarified that there are more than 4 books with a BSR of under 100,000. Let me just quickly break down the keyword. It is digital ebooks children friendship bedtime story. So what we're creating here, we're creating a bedtime storybooks. We have our audience, it's children, and we have the theme of the stories which are around friendship. So, introducing different friendships, talking about friendship morals and values as well in the stories, and going about that. But the main theme is friendship. We really need to follow and make sure that this promise is fulfilled. It's going to be the interior about friendship. Also, there are ebooks as well. So bear in mind, even if you go ahead and create a paperback children's storybooks, it's always important, it's always much more better to create ebooks. So this keyword itself is actually requiring that the books are available in ebooks. Doesn't mean you can't create paperbacks, you can, but make sure that there's always ebook versions available, so you can go ahead and download your paperback and then make sure to flatten the text out. I can show you a step-by-step in the upcoming video on how I upload ebooks as well, and how to convert the PDF to MOBI file that way. So these were the 2 keywords for the children's storybook series. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.